ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। As we know, today is a significant day, Guru Purnima, and we believe Guru is above all to all of us, irrespective of our classifications, irrespective of our walks of life. Almost all of us refer Guru as our Lord. Guru is everything. Today, being an auspicious day, I would like to focus on competition. In a civilized society in this 21st century, we should know that competition, sometimes some philosophers, some scholars refer it as unhealthy. Competition is unhealthy. Cooperation is healthy. Yes, it is of course right. Competition is unhealthy and cooperation is healthy. But competition also gives scopes to cooperate. And competition also cooperates us. In our business contexts also, we can say competition and cooperation are synonymous to each other. If we refer to our own business, competition is inevitable, and it is observed that competition is to come definitely, no matter what is the significance of our business, whether we are rendering service or we are producing goods and supplying the same for the people at large or to the society at large. In this globalized world also, competition is must, and competition is good. In my opinion, I can say, if we learn to get rid of competition, or if we learn to defy competition, definitely we have to go for diversification. We have to diversify our activities. If we are rendering service, our service can also be diversified. If we are producing goods or trading goods or medicines or essential commodities, we can also diversify our goods, what we are providing with the societies at large. And in case of service also, the same, we can diversify. And in a mere word, we can say, supposing we are producing fertilizers, maybe in these days our farmers are well aware enough, instead of using chemical fertilizers, now they have understood that chemical fertilizers are not to serve our purpose in a long way to the whole human being or human civilization. Rather, we should try to use organic fertilizers, and farmers of the remote villages are also preferring to organic one. And we know that our what are the sources of our organic fertilizers. If we are providing or selling or producing organic fertilizers even, and we are going through competition or we are facing competition, we can go for pesticides and insecticides, fertilizers. For the same farmers, we can go for producing or trading or whatever we are doing, we can go for preferring to have, apart from dealing your fertilizers, organic fertilizers, we can deal organic insecticides, pesticides, and many more things. Likewise, apart from diversification, expansion is another device or another way to defy competition. Suppose you are confined to a particular area, maybe a district, maybe a division, maybe a state, maybe a country, but we can also expand our business in these days. Of course, in today's relevance, people at large are in a crisis, and we are thinking of some uncertainties, and so many hurdles and challenges are there. But in the times to come, definitely this human capacity or human physicality can get it proved that this time will not sustain on this earth for a longer time. Definitely this time will over, and we will emancipate ourselves from this mess, maybe man-made or maybe natural or whatever may be. Definitely we have to get ourselves freed from this time, and we can expand our activities. If we are rendering service in a particular area, we can extend our geography, extend our areas of operation, and for that we need resources, and we know that the mobilization of resources is must. Of course, sometimes we may face eventualities, but nowadays almost all the sources are there. Those who can lend sources, and we can mobilize the same in a good speed, in a good pace, and we can earn better revenue and better return, and we can meet the loans or whatever the source from which we have taken the funding or resources for our mobilization. So this is these two, expansion and diversifications, are a very common thing, but it is the best way to defy competition. No matter whether it is being reckoned with an individual or with an organization or with any form of setup on this planet, it is possible. So if we are facing competition, we are cooperating ourselves to diversify our business and to diversify our activities, and at the same time we are also trying to expand our activities. And sometimes we are thinking of the diversifications are related to are also referred in a particular segment. Not at all. It is not confined to a particular segment. We can go beyond that. And in respect of expansion also, it is not related to a particular geography. We can go beyond that. So, though we are treating as competition is unhealthy, still if we take the things in a positive way, in a positive vibration, in a positive energy, then definitely we can defy the same, we can get rid of the same, and indirectly or directly we are expanding or we are growing. Maybe it may take time, but we will be in a position we can defy competition, and we can convert the competition into cooperation. Then definitely our areas of operation will be enlarged, and our confidence and almost all the things, our business acumen, our intellectual capacities, our own human resources, in every respect we will be growing. So on this auspicious day, I would like to urge upon to all the students, to all the spheres, not to take competition as competition. Rather, we should think of competition is cooperation. It is a scope to cooperate ourselves to enlarge our activities and to grow ourselves with our own capacity. It may be an intellectual capacity, or it may be financial capacity, or it may be in any source of resources. Again, on this auspicious day, I would pray Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahman Tasmai Shri